Questions with can. Yes/no questions. I can ride a bike. Can I ride a bike? Yes, you can. Can I drive a car? No, you can't. You can play the guitar. Can you play the guitar? Yes, I can. Can you cook? No, I can't. He can swim. Can he swim? Yes, he can. Can he skateboard? No, he can't. She can roller skate. Can she roller skate? Yes, she can. Can she sing? No, she can't. A chicken can walk. Can a chicken walk? Yes, it can. Can it fly? No, it can't. We can play tennis. Can we play tennis? Yes, you can. Can we play volleyball? No, you can't. They can run. Can they run? Yes, they can. Can they dance? No, they can't. Question: what? What can you do? I can ride a bike. What can I do? You can play the guitar. What can he do? He can swim. What can she do? She can roller skate. What can it do? It can walk. What can we do? You can play tennis. What can they do? They can run. Practice. Complete the questions and the answers.